Hey people, what up? Today I wanted to show you how to achieve this gothic look. It's very wearable, but it's really cool. I feel like I'm like a comic book character, but like even more badass than Harley Quinn. So I would say this look is my modern take on goth. So if you want to see how I created this look, I was just feeling super creative. Anyways, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and give the video a big like button. Let's get into this look. Alright, so I've zoomed you in a little bit. This is really good for this kind of look. It is the Fenty Cream Contour in the shade Amber. So I really liked using this to create that kind of ghoulish vibe. I'm gonna go in with this Going Coconuts ColourPop palette. So this shade, you can't really tell, but it's actually pretty cool toned. And I'm just gonna blend that out into the crease area. I always like to go out a little bit like that. Looks nice. So the kind of music that was inspiring me today was Typo Negative. It just gets me in a mood. It just gets me feeling some type of way.
Forgive her, for she knows not what she does.
I'm just gonna actually go in with this Jeffree Star cremated palette. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Morgue. It's a little more cool toned than what I have on a shade called Morgue. You can't really get any more goth than that. I just love the aesthetic of this palette. So I got a really cool piece. I'll just show you right now. Ugh, is that not freaking cool as heck? I'm buffing it out with Last Respects just to really get a nice blend on that, and I think that really helps. I'm gonna bring down that Morgue shade to the under eye here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some graphic liner. So this is one of my favorite palettes, as you can see. It's been used, but I use this a lot during Halloween. I also like to use it for my graphic liner, so I just kind of dab it in this water because it's water activated. Just pray for the best, really. Yeah, I'm just going up and out with this. I'm also going to take it up here. I need to concentrate. And then you kind of just connect it. This is so hard. And then I'm going to actually bring that out to the end of the wing. And see what, that just works. Okay, whew. I'm gonna use this liquid liner now. Connecting through there, let's just go with that. Like that. Sorry, I'm trying to show you what I'm doing, but like, it's really hard. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this side real quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some black, do a very light dusting of it on the outer corner, because this black is hella intense. This is from the Jeffree Star palette. I'm just lining my eye with this black Makeup Forever. The more black, the better.
On Wednesdays, we wear black.
What I'm thinking is we should just go ahead and do a little cross right here, because that'd be cute. That is kind of it up close. I just put these lashes on, so probably still a bit wet. But so far, I am loving this look. I'm actually going to do some highlighter. This highlighter looks really cool. Oh, it's not even showing that reflective on camera. Oh yeah, you can see it better when it's out. I'm just using a tiny bit. Because I never trust liquid highlighters. Oh yeah, that's cool, hey? Very ghostly. Ooh, I've been really liking liquid highlighter lately, even though it's one of those products that always pisses me off because it doesn't like blend out properly. For some reason lately it's been really doing good things. So basically, black lipstick, here we go. This is NYX Liquid Suede Black Lipstick. It's actually really good. Yeah, that's all I'd say. Is that not just like pleasing? Wow, I'm actually very shocked and surprised of how good, oh no. I'm actually shocked and surprised of how good I applied this lipstick. Ooh, this, yeah, So yeah, I hope you see how this look could be wearable. I feel like you could definitely wear this in public or wear this out and you wouldn't feel weird about it. Even with this look, like I love this little cross right here, but if you want it to be even more wearable, you could just take that cross away. And the big lashes are actually like making this look, I think. And then just a little piece of jewelry. I feel like this is very, I don't know if I would say gothic, but it kind of just gives that vibe of like, don't mess with me, like I am this powerful witchy, you know. Sorry, I'm just feeling myself way too much right now. But okay, well, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it and I hope it was entertaining for you, something a little bit different. But I was just feeling creative today, so please subscribe again and make sure to give the video a big like. That'll really help me out. It'll show me what you guys like and don't like, so that I can make the best content for you all. Anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.